art is very important in terms of how we express ourselves. And I felt that personally, being involved in this project, I think art is inherently validating. This project is at the heart of what we do, and it really speaks to how we strive to give the women who come to us for support back their agency and their autonomy, to help them reclaim their stories in a way, to help them heal, and in a way that I didn't even think I expected. Has been a source of solidarity for the women, coming together and sharing their stories in that way, a source of healing, but also a source of empowerment in terms of helping them to articulate their journeys and their stories and their dreams and their hopes. I had a moment of validation myself as somebody who supports with telling the stories of these women. It was a vulnerable moment where I was able to share my story in a way that I'd never done before, and I think that is what art does. It gives you an opportunity to connect, to find common ground, and I think in that room on that day, the women found common ground. They felt connected and they felt supported. And I think for that reason, this has been an amazing project.